Igbo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Ndị ojii niile n'ụwa kwezonu?
Yeah.
Ndị be anyị, I'm ekele unu. Afam Chukwu Nonso Captures. Hey, what's good, my people? How y'all doing? My name is Chukwu Nonso Captures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the digital makeup artist, and you're tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so shout out to Miss Omachukwu. Should I give it up for her? All right, so shout out to Miss Omachukwu.